Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if copy paste is not working in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system, and on this system here you can see that when you press Windows plus V keys, the clipboard history is here. In the clipboard history, whatever you copy is recorded, and you can use this clipboard history to paste the earlier copied content. But if the copy paste entirely not working for your Windows 11 system, then let us see how you can fix it. So starting with our first solution, and in this case we will restart the Windows Explorer. So Windows Explorer is the basic process that starts when you log into the desktop, and many other processes are dependent on it. So if the clipboard is not working or the copy paste is not working for you, restarting the Windows Explorer process might help. And for that we will right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to Processes tab and scroll down until you find Windows Explorer process. Just select the Windows Explorer process and click on the Restart Task button there. In few moments you will see that the Windows Explorer process has restarted, and you can then check the status of the issue and hopefully it should be resolved. In case if you still face the issue, you can continue troubleshooting with solution number 2. In solution 2, we will open Settings app. So right click on the Start button and select Settings. And in this case, basically we have to check for the latest updates. If you have not installed latest Windows updates, then installing the new updates may help. Just go to Windows Update section and check for the new updates. Next, we have solution number 3. Now in case if the copy and paste is not working with the remote desktop feature, then you can try out this solution. And here you have to open File Explorer, then go to C drive where Windows is installed. We are assuming that the Windows is installed on the C drive. Then go to Windows folder, then go to System32 folder. Inside System32 folder, you need to locate the file named rdpclip and right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. As soon as you click on that option, you will get the user account control confirmation prompt. Click yes in that. When the process has started, the copy paste should start working with the remote desktop feature. Now coming to solution number 4. In this case, we will open Settings app. In the search bar, type clip. From the search result, select Clear Clipboard Data. And here you can see that we are on the clipboard settings page. Just click on the clear button next to clear clipboard data until it is grayed out. And this will clear out the clipboard data, and now you can start working as usual and start copy and paste, and that should work. And in case if that option is already grayed out, you can try this alternative method. Right click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the terminal window opens, by default it opens to Administrative PowerShell. Click on the drop down next to this PowerShell tab and select Command Prompt. Now in the Command Prompt tab, you have to type this command: echo space of space the symbol and then space clip, and press the enter key. And as you can see that the command has been executed successfully in this video. And once this is executed successfully for your device, we hope that the issue of copy paste not working should be resolved. Now coming to the last solution. So many times it happens that the clipboard has been conflicted with third-party applications, and some of the third-party software you use on the device may conflict the clipboard process. To avoid this, you can try clean boot. And in the clean boot, you can identify the application or the process conflicting with the clipboard process. And we have a detailed video guide for the clean boot process. You can just follow the video on this card in order to complete the clean boot process and identify the problematic software, and then you can update or uninstall that software in order to resolve this issue. If you still face this issue, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.